This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Intercom. Great layout. Huge bright living room in this 1016 square feet, 2 bedrooms / 2.5 bath unit with high ceilings, European kitchen cabinets, top-of-the-line stainless steel sqft appliances, 6-burner gas cooking Wi-Fi stove, LED vanity mirrors, video intercom, standing glass showers and jetted tubs, low condo fee, pet-friendly and VA approved. 625 to 633 Park Road Historic Church Condominium buildings is the combination of historic and modern units. Other units also available from $435K. All units features high ceilings, European cabinets, sqft appliances, quartz countertops, wood floors, standing showers and jetted tubs, elevator building, units with private rooftop decks and much more. See brochures and docs for more info and floor plans. Pictures of this unit along with other units and model unit, as all units have all same finishes and features. And great location, 3 blocks from Petworth Metro, close to